Imagine never standing in front of your wardrobe for 10 plus hours, wondering what to wear. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing how I built my capsule wardrobe to reduce stress, fatigue, all the while making me look good. Hey cuties, it's Dina. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting and informative video for you today. But first, a little bit of housekeeping rules. I would love for you to hit the like and subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, baby girls. Y'all are not getting notified when I post my long form content, so make sure you get that done, okay? In fact, do it now. I'm watching you. Do it now. Have you done it? Thank you. In this video, I gathered 5 steps that help capture the essence of building a capsule wardrobe. Defining what a capsule wardrobe means to you, discovering your color palette and personal style, building the capsule wardrobe itself, and finally how to style or elevate your pieces. We are no longer playing with our closet no more, okay? And we're not playing with the chicken change that we get no more. We are taking action and renewing or even reviving our closet. So grab yourself a pen and paper and let's get straight into the video. It's a curated collection of essential versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. The goal is to have a smaller, thoughtfully chosen wardrobe with timeless pieces that reflect your personal style and can be worn across different seasons. Capsule wardrobe often focuses on quality over quantity, helping to simplify daily dressing, reduce clutter, and promote sustainability by minimizing the need for constant new purchases. I am sure when you see videos on building a capsule wardrobe or how to build a capsule wardrobe, you're seeing one specific type of capsule wardrobes being broadcasted online, and you feel like, wow, I'll have to throw away all my clothes in order to fit that type of dressing. When you look at the definition of the capsule wardrobe, I'm gonna put it here, you will see and you will begin to realize that it has nothing to do with that particular type of dressing or style. It's just they understand the definition of what a capsule wardrobe is, and they have made it fit into their personal style and have mastered it beautifully. As you can see, they literally will never run out of outfits. Now it's up to you to master your closet. Remember that pen and paper I told you to get at the beginning of this video? If you haven't got it, go and get that pen and paper right now because you need it in this video, okay? What does a capsule wardrobe mean to me though? I know the definition, but what does it mean to me? Well, to me, a capsule wardrobe is a basic uniform where I can add to or remove from to elevate my personal style. It does not matter what your style looks like. Investing in this uniform allows for a good foundation so you can start building and adding to achieve your personal style. And no matter what season or what is on trend, you will still adhere to the current times based on your style. So that is my definition of a capsule wardrobe. It's like when we used to go to school and we will never have to worry about, oh, what outfit should I wear because we're wearing a uniform. Everybody is going to be wearing the exact same uniform, but however, it's how we personalized our uniform. I remember some girls wear skirts, some girls will wear trousers. I wore trousers. Some girls I remember will put like charms on the zipper of their skirts, and it just looked so cute, bringing personal taste to your uniform. And that's essentially what it is. I understand that I need to create my personal uniform and I can add anything onto that uniform to make it me. You know, what does a capsule wardrobe mean to you? Use my definition as an example to, you know, help you out. And you can also use the definition of a capsule wardrobe to help you out. You can pause this video and write it down so we can get to the bottom of how to build your capsule wardrobe. Color palette and personal style. This is the fun part of the video. So now we know what a capsule wardrobe is. Now it's time to point the finger back at us, okay? What is my personal style? Question mark, question mark. What is your personal style? And how do we figure what our personal style is? Maybe you already have it in your mind. Maybe you like something that you see on Pinterest. Write it down. What is your personal style? And if you don't know what your personal style is, this is why I said this is the fun part of the video. We're gonna figure that out. And I have a way. When you open your wardrobe or you envision your wardrobe, what do you see? What type of pieces is in your wardrobe? What type of style is making an appearance the most? Is it full of trendy pieces? Is it full of timeless pieces? Is leopard print a current or running theme in your closet? Do you have a wide selection of crop tops and baggy trousers? Or do you have structured trousers with long blazers? Like, what are you envisioning in your closet? And now think about it. You look inside your closet and you're like, I have all these clothes, but I have nothing to wear at all. Has that ever come out of your mouth? Because I know I used to say that a lot. So how can we fix it? So in your own time, or if you want to pause the video like I said, I would like for you to pull out everything from your closet and sort them into piles, okay? And ask yourself, what pieces make me feel confident? What pieces make me feel comfortable? What pieces am I not going to wear as much? What pieces look like core essentials that I can literally put with anything and it will go well with everything? Sort them out into those piles. So this step helps you figure out what you already love and enjoy wearing, and it provides you with the foundation of the capsule wardrobe. Now, you have your core pieces, and examples of this would be jeans, leggings, plain basic tees or graphic tees, anything that you wear on a daily basis. Oh, I got a notification. I need to turn that off. And you have your favorite pieces, and these are pieces that you love and you're not throwing away. This could be like a colorful handbag that you like, or a pretty floral dress that you enjoy wearing. Now I want you to look at your favorites pile and recognize a pattern that's going on, okay? And ask yourself, do I prefer structured or loose fitting clothing? Are you seeing a pattern in your favorites pile and your cores pile? Are my jeans more baggy, or are they structured and straight-legged, or wide-legged, or flared? Do I favor casual clothing, or do I lean towards something more tailored and polished? Identifying these reoccurring themes will help you find your personal style. And that's how I found my personal style. My personal style, as you can see, is simple. I let what I wear speak for itself. I will give you examples of what my personal style is. Now for step 3, we are going to declutter and simplify. So what I would want you to do is now look at those piles again. Try the clothes out. And I want you to ask yourself these questions, these 3 questions. Have I worn this in the last year? Because if you haven't, you are not going to. So throw it away. Put it in the throwing away pile. Does this item or does this piece reflect what style I'm trying to achieve? Because if not, put it in the I'm throwing away pile. Is it versatile enough to pair with other items in my closet? Because if not, you guessed it, put it in the I'm throwing away pile. Simplifying helps create space for the items that you love and align with your personal style. Now I know your room is looking like a hot mess, and I would want you to leave it there. But don't worry, we'll be back. Now we have sorted our clothes into piles, we are going to play a fun little game. I'm introducing to you the 555 color palette challenge. Remember the pen and paper that I told you to get and we have been using for this video? Well, it's going to be important for this game. So how does this game work? Well, I'm gonna need you to look at your core pile, and I'm gonna need you to pick 5 items that you love from that pile. Now from the 5 items that you've picked, I'm gonna need you to now identify the main colors that you see in each piece. Now, what I would like for you to do is pick 5 accent colors. This can be in your favorites pile, or just a color that you've seen on Pinterest, or YouTube, or TikTok, or Instagram, anywhere. Think of 5 and list them down, and we're gonna move on to the last step. So now I'm gonna need you to find 5 accessories that will help bring a pop of color into your outfit, or give a little bit of flair into your style. And now I want you to take a note of the colors that you're seeing. Now with the colors that you're seeing, what is the running theme? What is the main colors that you're seeing? By the end of the challenge, you should see a mix of colors, okay? You'll have your neutrals, you'll have your favorite colors that you can use to form your color palette for your capsule wardrobe. This is what my one is looking like. So if your one is looking similar to this in terms of structure, then you've done it right. If not, then I'm gonna need you to go back in the video and do it again. Now we know what a capsule wardrobe means, have sorted out our existing clothing into piles, found our core pieces and our favorite pieces and our color palette. It is time to start building our capsule wardrobe. What are we putting back into our wardrobe? Because right now our wardrobe is empty. Piles, we're back. Step 4, build around our core pieces. In your cores pile, you should be seeing these core wardrobe essentials. A great pair of jeans, neutral tops in black, white, or gray, a quality jacket, comfortable shoes that will match any outfit, and dress or skirt, but that's based on your preference. So those are your core wardrobe essentials. This will look different for everyone, because what my type of core jeans will look like will look different to somebody else. So these core pieces will serve as a backbone for your capsule wardrobe. And your favorite pieces are going to serve as, I'm going to show out today type of fit, or I'm gonna use it as add-ons to my essentials. And that's basically what I do. I use my favorite pieces as add-ons to my essential pieces. Use accessories like scarves, jewelry, bags, and shoes to add personality and variety to your outfits. And I'm gonna need you to ask yourself, how can I add a pop of color or texture to elevate my basics? What accessories can transition my outfit from day to night? Accessories are the easiest way to bring personality to your outfits. You should now know what to put back in your closet. And I'm gonna need you to do it now because your room is looking atrociously messy. Have you done it yet? So this is how I envision my wardrobe. And don't get it twisted, I am nowhere near finished building my capsule wardrobe, okay? It's an ongoing journey, but with each piece I owned and have acquired during the years, I am able to stay true to myself and be comfortable in the clothes that I'm wearing based on my basic uniform formula that I created for myself. Because what I always wanted to avoid was letting my clothes sit in my wardrobe collecting dust. And I know that you don't want that either. That's why the basic uniform formula works. I really want to encourage you to invest in your basics, because we've now seen the many ways that we can implement our favorite pieces into our essentials, and you will look so good and you'll have so many outfits. You won't have to stand in front of your wardrobe wondering what to wear. I'm gonna give you an example. Look how plain this bag is, okay? It is so plain. But when I put the scarf on the bag, personality. And everyone literally will stop me on the train saying, where'd you get your bag? Where'd you get your bag? I got it from Tommy Hilfiger, but this I got from Lovisa, and I literally just put it on. And they were like, that was such a good idea. And it's true, because it looks so plain. Pop an accessory on it, it looks like a totally different bag. What a fun and informative video. Essentially, if you don't want to be standing like bread in front of your wardrobe for 10+ hours, then take this video into consideration and use this video to help you out, and make it a priority to invest in your basics based on your personal style. And I promise you, you will never run out of outfits to wear. This video is for the girlies and the boys that have something and want to build from it. I can do a deep dive video for the girlies and the boys who want to start their wardrobes from scratch. Just comment "start from scratch" and I'll be on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I hope to see you in next week's video. Bye.